Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we're doing a beach day with us. It's been really nice today, so we thought why not take you guys, have a little vlog and we'll go to the beach. Where the hell is my phone? Right there. It is 10 a.m. right now. While Jordan is still asleep, I'm gonna start packing up a few things. If you can see that. All those. Alright, so let's just start packing everything up and checking things off of our list so we can get going as soon as Jordan wakes the freak up.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely,
Open another door. We got prime parking.
Your butt's just in the shots.
Oh, sorry guys. Why isn't it doing anything?
He's doing something in slow. Just trying to cover it up and make it look like we're going somewhere.
Just put all my weight into it. What the hell's wrong with it? I feel like it's doing nothing.
eventually.
Maybe we're doing it the wrong way.
There is no wrong or right way, surely.
Probably the other way. No, I think
Righty tighty. He's doing something.
oh my god!
Oh really? Did I
No way! No way! We weren't stupid. It's fine. Lovely. Do you want to open it up in case there's a spider? No spider. Hi guys. Oh, what a nice view this is.
You guys are a little bit tilted, but you guys are on the sand. Hey guys, it's Samantha and Jordan.
Welcome back to the channel.
Today we're doing something we haven't done yet. Mukbang. Or how do you say?
Mukbang.
Oh, what's the other one? Mukbang.
Well, we're not using a bong, so I don't know what people...
So we're just gonna eat and talk.
Eat and talk about...
I'm hungry, so...
I'm hungry. I brought us each plastic wine glasses. The best before date was 28th of February 2018.
Nice.
So this should be fun.
So if we die, you know why?
I don't know how to open this thing, so this will be interesting. It's gonna go a lot of bang. We're gonna do our attention to ourselves. Ooh,
Please don't face it, actually.
this is already enough attention. Okay, ready? It said keep it on, so maybe I should just do it like this, or should I actually pop it like that?
Well, I don't know, just twist it.
Okay.
Oh, you didn't say go, I was waiting for the go.
Sorry. Cheers. Ding.
You can taste the test.
Tastes fine to me. What flavor is this? Apple with pomegranate flavor. Do you like apple? Sorry. That's the one I got. Wait, we should make a thumbnail. Hold on. Grab your sandwich or something. I don't know. Muffin.
It's so hard to get out. I'm just...
This is definitely outside our comfort zone. Thank you guys for coming to this.
I don't know what to talk about.
What's new with you guys? Let us know down below what's new.
I'm going to Melbourne next week and I'm scared about COVID and shit.
Just bring your hand sanitizer, grab your mask.
Has anybody at your work found out they have a YouTube channel? Because mine found out within like 24 hours of being there.
Really?
Yeah.
You got through what?
Instagram.
Oh, so none of them employed. So we're now both employed, both getting money. I got a story time.
Oh, story time.
Okay, so tomorrow I had my first job and I work as a school photographer.
Yesterday.
What did I
Said tomorrow.
Oh my gosh. Yesterday I had my first job and it was all good, like, you know, still like a lot of nervous energy, but I think I did okay. You know, but to end the day on a real high note, I got told by my trainer that he thinks he saw a ticket on my car, and I was like, great. So I was walking over and I was like, oh, I was thinking that it might be 20 or 30 bucks or something like that. Walk to the car, scan it, and then I see $102 on it. I'm like, surely not. And I kept like skating over like a few times for like another number. and no, it was $102. So yeah. So that was my first paycheck. That's it.
This was a good decision, Samantha. Samantha, give yourself a pat on the back. Alright, well I think that's the end of our mukbang, so we're just gonna... What?
Like we didn't speak like anyways at all.
Well, there's more to this video obviously. We're playing montage. We'll update you, yeah.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
The last.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on a wave. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
Hey guys, I just wanted to come in here and tell you a quick story about what happened at the beach. Unfortunately, we didn't get any footage of this, but it was so funny. I was in the ocean by myself. Jordan was up on the beach reading her book. There were these few kids in the water and they started screaming, and I thought that they were just screaming at each other. Next thing I know, I see a fin 3 meters in front of me. I thought it was a shark. So I like start swimming back frantically, and then a couple little ways away from me pointed at it and they weren't panicked. So I'm like, okay, maybe I don't need to panic. I like run up to Jordan. I'm like, oh my god, Jordan. And then come to find out, Jordan heard the kid screaming shark. So I'm glad she was so concerned about me. She came and told me or checked up me because I couldn't hear the kids other than screaming because they weren't facing me. But come to find out, I'm pretty sure it was a dolphin because it went like this in the ocean. It didn't go straight. Pretty much thing, I got out of the water after that and was like, yep, that's it. That's enough.
Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly